Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a multi-page document in Photoshop, that is a multi-page PDF, that too in Photoshop. So let's get started. Now many people believe that it is not possible to create a multi-page PDF in Photoshop, but it is pretty easy to create the document. So for that we can either open the required files as I have done. So I have opened few files in the Photoshop itself. So it can be anything, it can be like PNG file, JPG or PDF file. So just like that I have opened like 4 files. Now we have to go to file, automate and PDF presentation. Now if you click over here, add open files, the files that are opened, already open in the document, will appear in this particular section. So we can adjust the order according to our liking, like so. And again, if you want some more files, we can simply browse and we can add as many files as we want, just like to create a portfolio or a catalog. Maybe it is pretty easy. So let's say I will add this one or maybe couple of one. So this and this. So as you can see, and again we can change the order like this, and we have to select this option, multi-page document. Anything else, we don't have to change anything else. Again click on the save button, keep this as it is. Now I'm going to save it to new folder. So I'm going to name it, let's say, my book 1, and simply click save. Now as we are creating a multi-page PDF, this option won't be available for us, because this will be only available if you are making single page PDF. Again, if you want to add security, we can simply go to security and we can add couple of different passwords, but remember, if you forget the password, we cannot retrieve it, so be careful. In this case I don't need a password, so I am going to simply click save. So it will save the document as whole. So each and every file will be featured in one single document. So I'm going to go to the location. So this is the document that we just created. So I'm going to open this, and now as you can see, this document has 6 pages. If I can simply scroll, you can see, or maybe I can change the view, enable scrolling. So you can see we have all the images that we selected. So this way we can create a simple presentation or a profile or a catalog in Photoshop. So give it a go and let me know how it pans out. So if you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.